Standard 3 Mathematics Introduction to Geometrical Figures. Now students, start. These are quadrilaterals. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. These are triangles. It has 3 edges and 3 corners. These are circles. It has no corners and no edges. Here we see some pictures. We identify the figure of this picture. The first picture is carom. Its figure is like this and its name is square. The second picture is sandwich. Its figure is like this and the name of this figure is triangle. The third picture is mobile. Its figure is like this and the name of this figure is rectangle. The fourth figure is mirror. Its figure is like this and the name of this figure is circle. Now next, here we see some figures and we are going to write down the name of the figures, the number of edges and the number of corners. The first figure is quadrilateral. It has 4 edges and 4 corners. The second figure is rectangle. It has 4 edges and 4 corners. The third figure is square. It has also 4 edges and 4 corners. The fourth figure is triangle. It has 3 edges and 3 corners. The last figure is circle. It has no edges and no corners.
Take a rectangular sheet of paper. The rectangular sheet of paper has 4 edges and 4 corners. Now let us fold the paper from the middle. What do we see now? The longer side of the paper falls exactly on the opposite side of the paper. Now we will see from this point of view. Now again fold the paper from the middle. What do we see now? The shorter side of the paper falls exactly on the opposite side of the paper. The conclusion of this activity is the opposite sides of rectangle are equal in lengths. Take a square sheet of paper as shown here. The square has 4 edges and 4 corners. Now fold the square sheet of paper from top to bottom and from side to side. What do we see? The edges match and the corner match. From this activity, we can conclude that all the edges of the square are equal in length.